How to install the Windows subsystem for Linux. Go to Control Panel, click on Programs, click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. Scroll down and enable Windows Subsystem for Linux and click on OK. The Windows Subsystem for Linux will now be installed on your system. In order to update the Windows Subsystem, click on the search box and type Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell and type in the command wsl.exe space --update and click on enter. If your Windows subsystem for Linux is not the latest version, it will get updated to the latest version. That's all.